ShipOwner, today we have pyramids that really show us how important we have these government buildings filled with people doing nothing, occupying the pyramids. But there are other companies that say, I'm going to bet 200 billion AI improvement like Amazon just did. Others like Oracle did, oh, I'm going to mix data and AI. Open AI is there, and then Tesla is going to robots, and we all have these new ideas of how competitive advantages can be conquered. And of course, AI is a must. Now there is a possibility of having 500,000 new citizens in Spain. That means in Europe. Of course, if politicians did think, would get intrinsic value to 75,000 ships having 75,000 chief engineers. Spanish citizens. Then at home another 75. That is control the total world fleet, artificial intelligence. Yes, but politicians, will they do that? No. In Europe, no. They are going to have a meeting today on board. Is it a castle or is it a pyramid? Yeah, are they dressed like Egyptians? 3,000 years ago. They should, because that's what they do. Strategic maritime sector in Europe is a must. And India has copied our systems. Filipinas, we have been here before everybody else because we're closer to America. Very simple. So why not have these 500,000 in Candina databases? Well, there are 40,000 officers in America, and there are about 200,000 ratings. So we already have about, say, 25% of those. We are growing more. We do these videos, and then we have AI to automate the CVs. Each client's type of formats. We have all kinds of formats. We use Dominix, we use Crimspeter, we tailor to your software. There's many different softwares, and AI also is really a huge competitive advantage. For example, we have a Zara and Shein type of competition. One makes 5 million of these kind of clothes, and the other one makes sets of 500. So think of Candina as we can have 500 of this and nationality of this, of that, and then we can do your 300 ships, much more competitive, direct, because we are Shein. We don't want to compete with Zara because they are not going to adapt to the new requirements of ship owners, and we are going to focus their AI. Data, local, ESG, corporate social responsibility. Yeah, we are much faster. We are 126 years old, always adapting to ship owners' requirements, and with AI we have KPIs that these softwares become old. Why? Because AI is growing more and more. Why? Because we are adjusting our key performance indicators to AI, selection, database, type of nationalities, and so this is why Candina is a huge competitive advantage for you. Now there is one in a lifetime chance, because many think many different ways, but still we believe that the pyramids are really nice to go and visit. If you want to go to Egypt and have a nice camel ride and enjoy it, okay, good luck. But if you want to put dear ship owner, your company at ESG top, transparency top, corporate social responsibility top, but you need a partner with the biggest database in the planet, then you have to surf, okay, this way, okay, that way. You have to surf this tsunami